Okay guys, for 2026, the Okuma Safyre was awarded the Best Spinning Reel Award for under $100 by Field and Stream. So this day I used it and I had some issues with it. So I explained what I discovered and how I fixed it, and since then it's been working fine.
Some unusual animal noises coming across the channel. Sounds like something disturbed some waterfowl and they're upset about it.
Okay guys, after about half an hour of casting, I noticed that the knob was starting to wobble and it was getting worse. So I figured after this I was going to go back in.
Second throw, you can see the wake a little bit on the right, though I made the first one. Puts up a lot of commotion in the water. Just got to find the right rhythm for this. So I was out this morning, guys, and I had some issues for the first time with my Gomexus knob. It started to wobble, and I was thinking, wow, that is strange. Why is my knob wobbling? So I opened it up and I figured it out. If you look in there, the Phillips head screw there was starting to come out. That has never happened before, because when I contacted Okuma, they said that they use a form, or the person that's in the know uses, they said they use a form of Loctite, and it generally, if you break that and retighten again, it's usually not a problem. Well, you know, this is the newest reel for 2006, so maybe the type of Loctite has been changed, but it is no longer working once you break that seal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to it started to vibrate loose, so let me show you what I did. So I'm not going to put any glue on the threads. I'm going to put it on the inside head of the cap. So this way it's going to be a very thin layer, and that way when I screw this back in, it'll be flush. So since my buddy over at Okuma told me to use a variant of Loctite, I'm going to stick with the Loctite glue that they use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of the glue to, see the flatter part? Yeah, hold on. The flat inside part of the head, and just twirl it around. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, as you can see, that blue area on the screw, that's the company Okuma. That's their form of Loctite, which is kind of like a sticky type of Loctite. But I already coated some on the inside of the head, so we're just going to put that back on. Okay, so what it is, I put it on the inside part of on the underside of the head of the screw. It's in there. You can see it still moves easily. So it just takes way less than a minute for that to set. Always good to keep an accessory bag of your leftover Gomexus part, because that's how I was able to figure this out and get it so it's perfect. All done. Takes less than a minute for it to fully dry. So only thing you have to do is put the Gomexus cap back on it and tighten her up. I only screw this back on finger tight, and even though it's finger tight, I do it just a little bit harder than normal, and voila. See? Look at that. And as good as new again. Loctite is pretty good. It's like super glue. You can see it's already on the tips of my finger, already causing my skin to curl up. Very strong stuff. That blue type Loctite you saw that's put on the factory is kind of like, I would say not semi-sticky, but more of a hard paste type of resemblance, but it's a type of Loctite. Okay, so I was out early this morning, so I can now go back out in the field and finish my fishing. Thank you.